Welcome back to school, everyone. I'm Katie with the Elevate team, and I will be your teacher for the remainder of this video. Today, we'll be covering one of my favorite topics, and that is the 5 most crucial back-to-school tips and tricks. Now, whether you're about to be a big 5th grader, entering high school, a senior in college, or even a parent to a child in school, these tips apply to all. Be sure to grab a pen, paper, and be sure to take notes. There may or may not be a quiz at the end. Also, we have a free resource for you that you won't want to miss at the end. All right, let's dive into these 5 back-to-school tips. Tip number 1, get and stay organized. Making good organizational habits before the school year kicks off will save you time, energy, and stress in the long run. Although this might seem like a common tip, it's important to remember how you personally function. Whether it's buying a personalized calendar or agenda, organizing your desk with various drawers or shelves for resources, or planning out your weeks in advance, you simply need to find what works for you. Tip number 2, prep in advance. All right, picture this. Your alarm blasts off. It's early. You have that project you spent hours on to collect before running out the door. You haven't made your lunch or gotten all your workout clothes together to go to the gym in the afternoon. Sounds stressful, right? It doesn't have to be. Prep in advance by placing everything needed for the next day in a safe and accessible spot. Tip number 3, find what refuels you. It's important to find time to rest. Now, this might look different from person to person. For some, it might look like actual rest, taking time to be still and rejuvenate. For others, it might be sports or extracurricular activities, spending time with friends, or working on creative projects at home. Whatever brings you joy and restores your mind will help you create a balanced lifestyle between schoolwork and your personal life. Now for tip number 4, face-to-face is key. So it's 2019 and we all know the majority of us are absolutely attached to our phones. While these do help us connect to our community and the rest of the world, sometimes they can be a crutch. Now, there are some benefits to using our love for technology, like researching topics for a class or watching this YouTube video. But when it comes to going back to school, I want to challenge you to see beyond your screen. Be sure to connect with friends in person, grab a coffee, or attend a sporting event. A little intentionality goes a long way and shows your effort as a friend, family member, and even student. Now, moving on to my 5th and final tip for you, challenge yourself. Wanting to make that honor roll? Set a goal to make A's on your next 3 exams and set aside the proper study time to make it happen. The key with setting goals is to make them SMART. That's right, specific, measurable, attainable, relevant, and timely. Similar to making organizational habits that are feasible to you and your personality, setting goals to challenge yourself is very similar. Once they're set and followed through, you'll be amazed by how much you can accomplish. So, there you have it. Those are my 5 top back-to-school tips. Now, I mentioned a free resource to help you organize your school year. We've put together a trendy and simple calendar to help you plan out your year and reach those goals you'll be setting. Be sure to download it by going to the link in the description below and tag us on social media with where you place your calendar. Thanks so much for watching, and if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give us a thumbs up and drop a comment down below on how you're going to make this school year the best one yet. Also, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you can be notified first when we release a new video. All right, thanks so much for watching, and I hope this comes in handy as you dive into a new school year.